Welcome to Pratt Road Diner. Today we're making a St. Louis tradition gooey butter cake. First, we're going to prep our pan with some butter. Get up the sides and in the corners. Now, take a little bit of powdered sugar and coat the pan. Just make sure it's completely coated. Boom. For the crust, you'll need 2 beaten eggs, 1½ cups flour, ½ cup white sugar, ½ cup packed brown sugar, 3/4 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Now get that mixing. Scrape down the sides of the bowl so everything mixes evenly. Ooh, look at that. We're going to get our dough out of our bowl and line our pan. It's very sticky, so use the butter you have left over and coat your fingers. Spread it along the bottom evenly. Get more butter if it starts to get too sticky. You can put a little bit up your sides, and that'll rise and give you a crust. Get some more butter on your hand and use your palm to flatten out the fingerprints. And there you go. Now let's make our filling. We're going to use 1 8-ounce package of softened cream cheese, 2 beaten eggs, and we're going to mix that together. Then we're going to add 6 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and mix it up. Now let's gradually add 3½ cups of powdered sugar and mix it until it's smooth. Beautiful. Now let's pour the filling onto the crust and spread evenly. Bake at 350 for 40 to 45 minutes. When you take it out, the center will have a slight jiggle, and once it's cooled, dust with powdered sugar and enjoy.